I hope all of you are doing good. Let's start today's chapter, percent and percentage. Introduction. Percent means per hundred. Percent is an abbreviation of the Latin phrase per centum, meaning per hundred or hundreds. Let's understand by an example. 25% rebate means a rebate of rupees 25 per rupees 100. That is, if we buy articles worth rupees 100, we shall get rupees 25 as rebate. So when we take 100 as the denominator of fractions, the numerators are called percentages. For convenience, this symbol is used for percent. For example, 14 upon 100 is equals to 1400. 14 per 100. That is 14 into 1 by 100 is equals to 14%. Or we can say a percentage is simply a ratio in which the second term is arranged to be 100. So 20% is equivalent to 20 is to 100. Or 20% is equivalent to the fraction 20 by 100 or 2 by 10. So percentages when total, that is denominator is not 100. In the above examples, the sum of total numbers of items was 100. Now, if Honey secured 400 marks out of 500, what percent marks did he get? So, to get that answer, we will convert the fraction to an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. Okay. For example, 400 upon 500 is equals to 400 upon 100 into 5. So, 400 upon 5 into 1 by 100 is equals to what? 80 into 1 by 100. And 1 by 100 means percent, that is 80%. So now we have different conversions of percentage to any other form or vice versa. Number 1, to convert a fraction into a percentage. 2, to convert a given decimal into a percentage. 3, to convert a percentage into fraction. 4, to convert a given percentage in decimal form. 5, fun with estimation. Number 1, to convert a fraction into a percentage. Rule. When we convert a fraction into a percentage, we multiply the fraction by 100 and put the percent sign. For example, 1 by 4, we have to write it as percent. So, we will multiply by 100 and then we will put the sign of percent. So, we will get 25%. Okay. Number 2, to convert a given decimal into a percentage. Rule. We multiply the given decimal by 100 and put the percent sign. Okay, for example, we have to convert these decimals to percent. 0.6. What will we do? You will multiply this decimal by 100 and then put the symbol of percentage. So, 60% is the answer. 3. To convert a percentage into fraction. When we convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100 and omit the sign of percent. Okay, example, 45%. We have to convert into a fraction. So, we will divide by 100 and now this time we will omit this sign. We will remove the sign. Okay. So, you will get 9 by 20. Okay. Number 4, to convert a given percentage in decimal form. Rule. First, we will convert the given percentage into fraction and then we will put the fraction into decimal form. Example, we have to convert each of the following into decimal fraction. 53%. Okay, so what will you do? First, you will divide by 100, you will omit this sign also and now put decimal here, 0.53. Okay. Next is fun with estimation. The concept of percentage is very helpful in estimating the parts of an area of given figure. For example, what percentage of the given figure is shaded and what percentage is unshaded? Find it. So, figure is given here. First, we find the fraction of the figure that is shaded or unshaded. From this fraction, we will find that percentage of the shaded and unshaded region. Shaded region is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. We will get a sum of 3 by 4. And the percentage of shaded region is what? 3 by 4 into 100. Okay, whenever we find percentage of any number or a fraction, what will we do? We multiply it by 100 and then we will put the symbol of percentage. So, 3 by 4 into 100 is equals to 75%. Now, unshaded portion, this is unshaded portion, that is 1 by 4. So, we have to find the percentage. Unshaded portion, that is 1 by 4 into 100% is equals to 25%. Okay. Uses of percentage. Number 1, interpreting percentages. 2, converting percentage to how many? 3, converting ratio to percentage. 4, increase or decrease as percent. And 5, one with estimation. Okay. Number 1, interpreting percentages. If percentage of an item is given, with the help of the percentage, we can interpret the meaning of the statement. For example, Raju invests 10% of his pocket money in buying toffees, means rupees 10 out of 100 rupees are invested by Raju in buying the toffees. Number 2, converting percentages to how many? Let us explain this concept with the help of an example. A local cricket team played 20 matches in one season. It won 25% of them. How many matches did they win? Here the total number of matches played are 20. Out of these, 25% are won by the team. So method number 1, which is direct method also. Out of 100, 25 matches are won by the team. So out of 20 number of matches won by the team is what? 25 by 100 into 20. Okay, that is 5 matches. And method 2, using percentage, 25 by 100 into 20. Okay, means we have to find the 25% of 20. 25% of 20 means 25 upon 100 into 20. So again, we'll get the answer 5. Number 3, converting ratio to percentage. If the information is given in the form of ratios, then we can convert it into percentage. Rule. Firstly, we will convert the given ratio into a fraction, and then we will multiply the fraction by 100 and we'll put the sign of percent. Example, we have to convert each of the following ratios into percentage. 15 is to 45. 15 is to 45. So first we will convert into fraction and we'll multiply by 100. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. Okay. So 1 by 3, and you don't forget to put the sign of percentage. Okay. So from here you will get 33 1 by 3%. Right. Next is increase or decrease as a percent. In day-to-day life, there are many situations where we need to know the increase or decrease in a certain quantity as percentage. For example, if the price of petrol increased from rupees 35 per litre to rupees 50 per litre, then the increase in price can be understood better if we say that the price of petrol increased by 42 6 by 7%, that is 50 minus 35 is equals to 50, and percent increase is what? 15 upon 35 into 100, that is 42 6 by 7%. Okay. For example, Arun bought a car for rupees 3,50,000. The next year, the price went up to 3,70,000. What was the percentage of price increase? Okay, see, original price is 3,50,000 and change in price is what? New price is 3,70,000. So change in price is 3,70,000 minus 3,50,000, that is 20,000. So percentage increase is equals to amount of change in price upon original price. Amount of change in price is what? 20,000 upon original price into 100. So we'll get percentage increase 5 by 7%. So percentage increase in price of car is this. Okay. Exercise 8.1, we have to convert the following fractions into percent. Okay. Fraction we have to convert into fraction percent. So we'll multiply by 100 and we'll put the sign of percentage. 43%. This is the answer. Okay. Things to remember. Number 1, percent means per 100. 2, to convert a fraction into a percent, we multiply the fraction by 100. 3, to convert a ratio into a percent, we write it as a fraction and multiply it by 100. 4, to convert a decimal into a percent, we shift the decimal point 2 places to the right. 5, to convert a percent into a decimal, we drop percent sign and shift the decimal point 2 places to the left. Students, here comes the end of this chapter, and keep doing practice of this chapter.